Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. I always like a good leftovers pail. It's like making free beer almost, because all you have to buy is the grains if you're reusing your yeast and everything as well. And yeah, nice cheap batch. Anyway, we're underway of getting my water up to temperature. It's my remote thermometer, and so I can sit back, enjoy a coffee, and give the dog a pat while I wait for it to come up to temperature. Alright, here's the grains. I've got 85% Ale Malt, 10% Munich II, and 5% Caramalt. I've been using Cooper's Schooner Malt lately, but apparently they've had a bit of because of a drought, they haven't been able to produce it anymore. So just back to regular old ale and not the Schooner Malt anymore, which is like Marisol. But anyway, it's time for the old Saturday routine of having a piece of banana bread and a baby tuna with the donut. Then off to do the shopping and everything down here, and driving back home, taking care to pass the cyclist safety without losing my absolute mind, which some people don't seem to be able to manage. But anyway, here we go. Now we've got the grains out, and now we've got the grains out, and that's draining away there, and clip, all the usual. Oh yeah, heat goes on. A little rinse. I've been calling it a sparge. It's not a sparge. A sparge is a big thing. That's just a little rinse. And in go the bits. And oh yeah, there's my thermometer on the side here, which I basically just use to monitor the temperature. It's not. Yeah, I keep half an eye on it with that. All right, leftovers time. Look at all these hops I got. So I've picked out some Cascade. That's 40 grams of Cascade, and then I got a couple of little bags of Centennial as well that are going to go in. 35 grams of that. So that's a total of somewhere between 2.5 3 grams a litre. That's going to go in. Now what I do is figure out the bitterness from that and back calculate the amount of Magnum that I will need to get it up to 31. So yeah. Oh, and we're almost boiling. So here we go. In goes the Magnum, and timers go. There we are. And yeah, cool. All right. Now, Max, you keep destroying your bed. So this is why we can't have nice things. But I've felt sorry for the dog, and so I bought him a new thing. But it turns out what I actually bought was a sack. So I need to cut some holes in it to make it into a bed, so that the frame for this one is actually really good. So there you go, Max. What do you think of that? And yeah, I'm sure he likes it. Okay, now 15 minutes to go. In goes the well flock. There it is. And now 0 minutes to go. I'm turning the electricity off, and I'm going to let that stand for 5 minutes. Then whirlpool and put in my flavouring hops that I was measuring out earlier. Still got a pile left over for dry hops. Oh yeah, there's my old cube. And bam, goodbye old cube. And hello new cube. That was the first shot, by the way, I swear. And yeah, so getting my sample out. And into the new cube goes all the good stuff. So there it is, filling up to the 27 almost litre mark, which it doesn't have. It's a 25 litre cube, but it holds 27 litres because it lies. But anyway, just a little tap with the foot is enough to push all the air out today. So that's pretty good. And now up to the shed you go. So you'll sit there and cool off for a couple of days, get down to pitching temperature. Alright, so a few days later, and here I am bottling amber ale. And that there is what I'm interested in, the yeast that's left at the bottom. So basically the new one's just going straight on top of that. So put in the colliery dew, and yeah, here it goes. Heavy, heavy lift. Lift with your knees, not with your back, of course. In it all goes. Good. Oxygenate and stir up all that yeast, and this one went off like a mad thing. It lifted the lid, which is, there's a lot of headspace in there, and it lifted the lid, and I had to clean it all up, and it was gross. But we're done. We're done. Maybe I should have taken some pictures to show you something. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Not quite as lively today because I'm a little bit sick, but that's all good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with all your friends. Bye.